Hello everyone, welcome. In previous session, we discussed some problems on combinations. In this session also, we will discuss some more problems on combinations only. See the question. A question paper is divided into three sections A, B, C containing 3, 4, 5 questions respectively. Find the number of ways of attempting 6 questions choosing at least one from each section. So given section A, section B and section C. Section A contains 3 questions, section B contains 4 questions and section C contains 5 questions. We have to choose at least one question from each section and the total number of questions are 6 questions. Then the selection may be following these types. One question select from section A, 2 questions select from section B, 3 questions selected from section C. Then we add all these questions, 6 questions will get. This is one type. Then number of ways, 3C1 into 4C2 into 5C3 ways. Select one question out of 3 questions in 3C1 ways and select 2 questions out of 4 questions in 4C2 ways and select 3 questions out of 5 questions in 5C3 ways. By fundamental principle, required number of ways is 3C1 into 4C2 into 5C3 ways. Similarly, select one question out of 3 questions from section A. Select 3 questions out of 4 questions from section B. Select 2 questions out of 5 questions from section C. So, number of ways from this, 3C1 into 4C3 into 5C2 ways. Or select one question from section A, select 4 questions from section B and select one question from section C. This can be done in 3C1 into 4C4 into 5C1 ways. Or select one question from section A, select one question from section B and select 4 questions from section C. This can be done in 3C1 into 4C1 into 5C4 ways. Or select 2 questions from section A, select one question from section B, select 3 questions from section C. We add all this, we can get it is 6 and also it is satisfies select each question from section A. Then this can be done in 3C2 into 4C1 into 5C3 ways. Or select 2 questions from section A, select 3 questions from section B, select 1 question from section C. This can be done in 3C2 into 4C3 into 5C1 ways. Or select 2 questions from section A, select 2 questions from section B and select 2 questions from section C. This can be done in 3C2 into 4C2 into 5C2 ways. Or select 3 questions. Section A contains 3 questions. So we can choose up to 3 here from section A. So select 3 questions from section A, select 1 question from section B, select 2 questions from section C. This can be done in 3C3 into 4C1 into 5C2 ways. Or select 3 questions from section A, select 2 questions from section B, select 1 question from section C. This can be done in 3C3 into 4C2 into 5C1 ways. So there are the types 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 types are there like this. Now write the values here only, then it is simple for calculation. Value of 3C1 is 3. Value of 4C2, that is 4 into 3 by 2, then the value is 6, into value of 5C3, that is nothing but 5C2, that value is 10, then it is 180. And next one is value of 3C1 is 3, value of 4C3, 4C3 is nothing but 4C1, then that value is 4, into value of 5C2 is 10, then it will 120. And the next one is value of 3C1 is 3, value of 4C4, value of NCN is 1 you know, so 4C4 that is 1, into value of 5C1 that is 5, so this value is 15. Come to next one. Value of 3C1 is 3, value of 4C1 is 4, value of 5C4 that is same as 5C1. What is the value of 5C1? It is 5. So that is 3 into 4 into 5, then it will be 60. Next one is value of 3C2 is 3, value of 4C1 is 4, value of 5C3, 5C3 is nothing but 5C2, then this value is 10, so it is 3 into 4 into 10 is 120. Next one is value of 3C2 is 3, value of 4C3 is 4 and value of 5C1 is 5, then it is 60, 3 into 4 into 5, value is 60. And next one is value of 3C2 is 3, value of 4C2 that is 6, 4 into 3 by 2, 6, into value of 5C2 is 10, then it is 3 into 6 into 10, 180. Next one, value of 3C3, NCN is 1, so 3C3 is also 1, into value of 4C1 is 4, 5C2 value is 10, so it is 40. And last one is value of 3C1 is 3, value of 4C2 is 6, value of 5C1 is 5, so it equal to 30. Therefore, total number of ways, by adding all these, we can get total number of ways is, adding all these we can get this value is 805. So that equal to 805. And one more process is there to do this problem. See that question paper contains section A, section B and section C. 3 sections are there. In section A, 3 questions and section B 4 questions and section C contains 5 questions. Number of attempt 6 questions, choosing at least one from each section. So required number of ways. Required number of ways. That is total questions given in the sections 12 questions are there. We have to choose at least one from each section and choose 6 questions from 12 questions. So select 6 questions out of 12 questions, minus except section A, minus except section B, minus except section C. So total number of quotients 12. Select 6 quotients can be done in 12C6 ways. Minus except section A. So remaining quotients except section A, there are 9 quotients. Out of these 9 quotients, select 6 quotients in 9C6 ways. Minus except section B. In section B there are 4 quotients. Except section B means there are 8 quotients. Out of these 8 quotients, choose 6 quotients in 8C6 ways. Minus except section C. Remaining quotients we have 7 quotients are there. From those 7 quotients, we have to choose 6 quotients in can be done in 7C6 ways. Now the value of 12C6, that is from 12 write 6 factors in decreasing order, that is 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 7 by 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Then by doing a cancellation, 6 into 2, 12 get cancelled. Numerator and denominator. 3 times get cancelled here and 4 2 times cancel. 5 2 times. Then remaining 11 into 2, 22 into 3, 66. 66 into 2 into 7, 14. By multiplying, we can get this 924. So, the value of 12C6 is 924. 924 minus the value of 9C6. 9C6 is same as 9C3. Since already you know NCR is same as NCN minus R. So 9C6 is nothing but 9C3. Then write the value of 9C3, that is 9 into 8 into 7 by 3 into 2 into 1. 3 times get cancelled, 2 4 times. 12 into 7 is 84. So value of 9C6 is 84. Minus 8C6. 8C6 is same as 8C2. 8C6 is same as 8C2. Value of 8C2, that is 8 into 7 by 2. So it is 28. 28 minus value of 7C6 is 7. So by doing simplification, we can get this 805. So this is the number of ways of choose 6 quotients from 12 quotients, at least one from each section. See the next problem. A class contains 4 boys and G girls. 4 boys and G girls. Every Sunday, 5 students with at least 3 boys go for a picnic. A different group is being sent every week. During the picnic, class teacher gives each girl in the group a doll. If the total number of dolls distributed is 85, then find G. So, since 5 students go to picnic, at least 3 boys go for a picnic. At least 3 boys means we can choose 3 boys or 4 boys. Given boys here, 4 boys are there. So there will be 2 types. One is 3 boys and 2 girls. So total number of students, 5 students are there. And 4 boys and 1 girl. Total number of students here also 5. Then number of ways is from 4 boys choose 3 boys can be done 4C3 ways and into select 2 girls out of G girls can be done in GC2 ways. And the second one is, next type is 4C4 into GC1. 5 students go for a picnic. Out of 4 boys and G girls, at least 3 boys. So there are 2 types. One is 3 boys and 2 girls, and second one is 4 boys and 1 girl. Then number of ways. Select 3 boys out of 4 boys can be done in 4C3 ways, and into select 2 girls out of G girls in GC2 ways. Or second one is select 4 boys out of 4 boys can be done in 4C4 ways, and select 1 girl out of G girls in GC1 ways. Since class teacher gives each group a doll, each group a doll. Each group for a girl. Class teacher gives each group a doll to a girl. In this first case, there are 2 girls. 2 girls are there. So 2 dolls go for these 2 girls. And the second case, only 1 girl is there. Given total number of dolls distributed. Total number of dolls distributed is 8C5. Now, in this first case, 2 girls are there. So, 2 dolls will be distributed for those 2 girls. So, 2 into 4C3 into GC2 plus. In the second case, only 1 girl is there. So, for 1 girl, 1 doll will be given. Then it is 1 into 4C4 into GC1 is 85. Doing simplification here, then it is 2 into value of 4C3 is 4 into GC2 is G into G minus 1 by 2 plus 1 into value of 4C4 is 1. Value of GC1 is G, that is 85. So these 2 get cancelled. By multiplication, 4G into G minus 1 is 4G square minus 4G plus G is there plus G equal to 85. Write the equation in one side, then it is 4G square minus 3G minus 85 equal to 0. Then doing factorization, we will get 4G square minus 20G plus 17G minus 85 equal to 0. If you multiply 85 into 4, 340 will come, and by adding minus 20G plus 17G, we will get minus 3G. Then 4G take common, G minus 5 plus 17 take common, G minus 5 equal to 0. This implies G is equal to 5 one value and G is equal to minus 17 by 4 one value, but it not satisfies. Therefore, the value of G is 5 only. Come to the next problem. A candidate is required to answer 6 out of 10 questions, which are divided into 2 groups, that is group A and group B. 10 questions divided into 2 groups, each group containing 5 questions. So group A contains 5 questions and group B contains 5 questions. He is not permitted to attempt more than 4 questions from either group. So, not more than 4 questions, we have to select the questions. Find number of different ways in which the candidate can choose 6 questions. So, those are of the types not more than 4 questions. Then we can take 2, 4, 2, 4 and 3, 3 or these are the types satisfying the given condition. Total questions are 10 questions. Group A contains 5 questions. Group B contains 5 questions. Not more than 4 questions from each group. We have to choose 6 questions, total of them. Then the types may be following like this. Select 2 questions out of 5 questions from group A and select 4 questions out of 5 questions from group B. This can be done. That is number of ways. 5C2 into 5C4 ways. Or select 3 questions out of 5 questions and select 3 questions out of 5 questions can be done in 5C3 into 5C3 ways. Or select 4 questions out of 5 questions and select 2 questions out of 5 questions can be done 5C4 into 5C2 ways. Then write the values of this. 5C2 value is 10 and 5C4 value is 5. Then it is 50. 5C3 is nothing but 5C2, that is 10 into 10. Then this value is 100. Value of, come to next one. Value of 5C4 is same as 5C1, then it is 5 into value of 5C2 is 10. So 5 into 10 is 50. By adding all these, we can get a total number of ways. Total number of ways, that is 200.